Here I have InFocus M810 and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, hold down on power off. The following information should pop up. So let's tap OK to reboot to safe mode, and the device is booting into the safe mode. So let's just wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device in that mode. Excellent, so now the safe mode pops up. As you can see right here, you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a safe mode. So you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key, choose here reboot, tap OK, and wait until the normal mode pops up. That's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.